Hello, my name is Guxia Guxiang. Now let's make a model of a crystal ball. First, we create a sphere in the top view. Change the number of segments to 16. 16 is too little. Let's make it 18. Right-click again to turn it into an editable polygon. Pick a pair of these lines in the top view and remove them. Select this line ring and right-click Collapse. There are too few lines. Let's pick this side again and cut the corners. Cut corners with triangles. And then select all of these edges and give it a stream. Choose one of the hard edges. Click again on the honeycomb shape in the Graphite Tool topology. Add a spheroidization modifier to it. Selective top. Zoom it in the top view. Insert again. Pick this edge and pick and remove it. Then select the lower vertex and delete it. Add spherification modifier. The wiring here is a little too dense. We're going to select this edge, and we're going to select the right button, and we're going to collapse it. Select the border rotation and align it with the hole below. Select the top and bottom boundary lines to bridge. No, let's subtract these two sides and bridge them again. Select this border seal. Then select all the edges. Subtract the inside edge. And then cut a little corner out of it. Turn on NURM smoothing. Iterate twice. You got a very nice crystal ball model. Give a default material. This crystal ball model is ready. Give me a thumbs up if it helps. Thank you for watching.